In verse 9, they had breastplates like breastplates of iron. So this illustrates their invincible nature. And the sound of their wings, it says, was like the sound of chariots with many horses running into battle. Have you heard of a swarm of locusts, a swarm of bees, right? I mean, like, even just one fly or one mosquito flying over your ear, it's difficult, to hear. But can you imagine this swarm of locusts, demonic hordes? They're being described as if like they have a sound of many chariots ready for battle. If you've seen the Ten Commandments or some remakes of that, and you know that the chariots of pharaohs are coming there. They're very, very, very loud. So once again, what we read here in verse 9 is described in the book of Joel, in chapter 2, verses 5 to 7. This time is reference to their aggressiveness to go forth to destroy. That's the picture that is painting to us, that we are these demons are very aggressive to destroy. Now, in verse 10, I just wanted to cover as much as I can in this very short time. Verse 10, and they had tails like scorpions, and there were stings in their tails, and their power was to hurt men 5 months. Again, 5 months is the number. This reiterates, for the sake of emphasis, what has already been said in verse 5. We just read, this demonic suicidal infliction will remain upon the unbelievers of the earth.